So this is how you can increase the sleep time on iPhone. Let's begin. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, consider subscribing, and that way you are not going to miss anything important. Okay, so when it comes to increasing the sleep time, you probably mean at the time before the screen goes black on your iPhone. So you can find that in the settings app naturally, and there just go to the display and brightness section, and part of that we have the auto lock menu where you get to pick between, technically it's like 6 or 7 options, right? So it's ranging from 30 seconds to 5 minutes, and the last option is set to never, which means that unless your phone runs out of the battery, the screen will not go black. So that's something you might also want to do, but yeah, just keep that in mind that this is where you can find it. So that's like one way of looking at increasing sleep time. On the other hand, we can also check out the focus selection within the settings, of course, and there is also the sleep focus, which is a bit of a different feature because it just gets turned on by schedule, but in there you can also increase the sleep window for the sleep focus mode, right? So you have the time from like, I don't know, 9 p.m. till 9 a.m. and you can increase that or make it shorter, whatever. But this is another angle of looking at this question. So let me know if we managed to fix this thing for you. Let me know about that. Subscribe for more videos and straight to the point explanations like this one, and I'll see you later. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna talk to you in the next videos.